Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the following equation and find all integer solutions of x and y. So here x and y are integers. Let's start. So let me first of all rewrite our equation here as it is: x to the power of 2022 plus y squared is equal to 2y. So here I'm going to move this 2y to the left hand side to get x to the power of 2022 plus y squared minus 2y is equal to 0. And as you can see here, we can complete the perfect square from the left hand side. Then I have to express the last equation as follow: x to the power of 2022 plus y squared minus 2y. And here, to get a perfect square, I have to add 1 and subtract 1 is equal to 0. And as you can see here, this is the perfect square, so I can use the following formula: a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is always equal to a minus b to the power of 2. So therefore, using the following formula, the last equation will be as follow: x to the power of 2022 plus, so y minus 1 squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So here I am going to move this minus 1 to the left hand side. So to get x to the power of 2022 plus y minus 1 square is equal to 1. And as you can see, x to the power of 2022 is also perfect square. So therefore, this equation will be as follow: x to the power of 1011 and to the power of 2 plus y minus 1 square is equal to 1. And as you can see in the last equation, we see that the sum of the two perfect squares is equal to 1. So therefore, we can conclude that, so to get a 1 from these two perfect squares, this must be 0 or 1, and this is also 0 or 1 and 0. So at the same time, they cannot be 1, or at the same time, they cannot be 0. So therefore, if this x to the power of 1011 to the power of 2 will be 0, then this is going to be 1. And if this is 0, this is going to be 1. So, therefore, here we have to consider three cases. And also we have to focus on y minus 1 to the power of 2. And we can see that to get from y minus 1 to the power of 2, 1 or 0, we have to here set restrictions that y must be greater or equal than 0 and less or equal than 2. So therefore, using this inequality, let's consider now three cases. So therefore, here case 1, case number 1, y is equal to 2. So therefore, if y is equal to 2, then here let me raise x to the power of 1011 to the power of 2. So therefore, I will get x to the power of 2022 and plus, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1 is equal to 1. So therefore here, as we see, x to the power of 2022 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 0. So here, this is the, so let's immediately conclude that the first set of solutions is 0 and 2. So case number 2, so y is equal, so since we are looking for all integer solutions of x and y, so therefore we have to now choose y is equal to 1. So therefore, as we see, 1 lies between this 0 and 2. And if y is equal to 1, then x to the power of 2022 and 1 minus 1 is 0, so therefore this one is 0. And here x to the power of 2022 is equal to 1. And here, since the exponent of x is even, then x will be plus minus 1. So this is the second solution. So now case number 3 is y is equal to 0. So therefore, if y is equal to 0, then x to the power of 22 plus, so y is equal to 0, if then minus 1 squared is simply 1 is equal to 1. And here we'll get that x to the power of 2022 is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 0. So here also we get the third set of solutions. X must be, so x and y belong to 0 and 0. So here x and y belong to plus minus 1 and here 1. So let's finalize. If we finalize, then we have a 3 set of solutions. So the first one is 0 and 2. So the second one is plus minus 1 and 1. And the last one is 0 and 0. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.